So you see it, we're back at it again with another one.
Another one.
Yeah, so today we're gonna pick up something a little different, but something that we already got. Something ancient, something classic.
Ancient.
Something classic.
Classic.
Oh, you see it, yeah. Life's a roller coaster. Let's hit the highway. I don't know you find it swagged out like this.
Like that. It look like he an African king instead of not them.
See, I came from Zimbabwe with my sweats on and my shiki. Yep. This is Atlanta traffic. And we love it so much. Hey!
Use the left at the light. Use the middle lane.
Sound good. The light on.
I told him it didn't work, but it does.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh yeah, the fish in DRZ two-stroke. Oh, you see it, back at it again with another one. And this one's a little different.
Yes, sir.
Stay tuned for our review. So that's what's stopping us. So all this wire came out of there. It should be free up. Good morning. Back with the DR. Yeah, this is a different one. Two-stroke. Water cooled. Two-stroke. Hydraulic brakes. Turn signal, headlight. Speed, temperature, turn signals, lights. Dual pipes. Runs. We just gotta do probably a little seat work. Well, we're getting ready to strip it down, go through it, get it serviced. This is the belt in here, CVT. We're gonna pull a transmission, we're gonna check it out, get all our fluids right. One-on-one inspection. We might fix the fairings, you know we're gonna paint it, but right now we're gonna leave it all this way. Handlebars getting straightened out. Couple body cracks. Somebody underestimated the power, like he said. Brake levers are bent. Little cracks here on the plastic. I threw these behind it. I threw the turn signals usually right there on the side. Black and silver wheels. All coolant reservoir. It's a coolant. For my overflow. Electric start. Brake light, turn signals. dual exhaust, good spring, nice tires. The size of these tires are 8-inch. So we in there. Stay tuned. Time to pull the carb off. Put a new one on there. Radiator drain. I'm gonna fix this a little bit. Go. Carburetor's installed. Now we're down to the transmission gearbox. Belt's kind of wore out, but it got plenty of life on it. We need to take it apart and see about the clutch. We're gonna clean it down, spray it down a little bit.